What's up guys, back with another video. Today I have my mommy and look outside. It's raining, my mom's favorite day. My mom doesn't like to see you guys. So guys, it's kind of raining. Look at that super cool car. Yo guys, that guy, I mean the gray car? Yeah, it's so cool. Oh, and guys, it's like super storming. It's like I see the rain. Oh my gosh, look at this. Rain. Sorry guys, it's just it. The rain. Can you see it? I can. Yo. It's raining from the sky. So you guys, make sure to click that subscribe button, and you know what they did? This special Wednesday. So guys, I'll see you later in the church, because that maybe Sam will be there. I don't know. So we're gonna do like some trick shots and like sneaking. Okay, whatever. Just see you later, guys. Bye.